What is up, y'all? In this video, we're going to play around with, and I'm going to show you how to use the system variables for initialization and how to display it on the debug screen. Okay, so we have run, stop, debug. You can look at variables, system variables in the debug screen. Okay, so basically what I did is this is my main player ship. Okay, I opened up the script. Right here I have control task run. Okay, run number 1. We'll go into that task right here, and you may see, oh my gosh, just all this stuff. So right here is that I set something up to where it'll make a sound depending on the variable amount for X and Y. So I have variable 1, okay, X position pointing to that one, Y position pointing to variable 2, okay. And what I did is I had the variable 1 point to a variable number 0, and then I have variable 2 point to variable number 1. So this is where you put in the system variable, okay. And then there's two kinds. There's initialization, which is temporary, and then there is storage system, which is permanent, okay. Permanent data in your game. And just to remind you, 0 variable, local variable for X, and then Y variable 2, okay, pointing to variable number 1 in an initialization system variable, okay. And then there's number 0 to 225. That's how many that you can kind of use, like in STGBuilder. There's a limit. And then over here, what I have over here, I think this is the for sound. So I have something to where it will like change the volume or something or whatever. I don't know. I made this a while ago. And then over here I have conditions. So a value of 200, okay, less than variable 2, which is the Y position. So I wanted it to where when you reach Y excess of 200 that the sound would like decrease or something like that. So let me see. I have this math variable 0 plus 20, and then variable 3, and then pointed back to here. So okay, then the volume will be set to volume 20. Okay, so all right, let's run this. All right, now open up debug. Now look over here. All right, initialization system variable storage. We're at initialization. When we go to storage, nothing is there because we didn't put anything in storage. We have live data in initialization in 0, okay, this is 0, and in 1 and in 2. I'm gonna go back to the script and show you again where we put that in, okay. 1 initialization, 2 for 1, 3 in 2, okay. 3 is local variable, or I should say this is a configuration. Local for 1, local for 2, okay. 2 directed to initialization variable 1, 3 to 1, 1 to 0. Let's go back here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I hope you're following. I hope you're following. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the character and look at what happens in the debug window. Look, I move up, and you seeing the data in real time. Let's move to the left. This is real-time data. Okay. Now I had something. Let me see. Was it the shot? So I wanted the shot to decrease when you reach a certain. Maybe I already did it. Let me go to run. So right now, is at 50. You see how loud it is? I don't know if y'all can hear that. So I'm gonna keep pressing it, and then when I reach above, or excuse me, below 200 on the y-axis, it will actually lower. You hear that? That's pretty neat. Now the only thing is that the reason why it doesn't go back up because I didn't set anything to have it go back to 50% volume when I reach above the y-axis in the local variable. I don't have anything like that set up, and that's something that you can set up. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool. And yeah, this is something that you can definitely play around with. Remember, you know, you're gonna have to like set things up in your script correctly to make sure that you get the data running in real time, because sometimes it'll stop if you don't set it up correctly. But yeah, that's basically how initialization system variable works. In the next video, we'll go into storage. Okay, we'll do something very, very simple with storage system data. Okay, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you over there.